Hi everyone, this is Diana from Sweet and Savory, and today we're going to be making Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding. We're going to be using their recipe so you know it's going to come out perfectly sweet and delicious. I'm going to leave you the link for the recipe in the description of the video, but you could also find it at sweetysalado.com/en. The first thing we're going to do is place ice cold water in a large bowl, and then we're going to add sweetened condensed milk. This is the only sugar we're going to use for this recipe, so make sure that you use the entire can. And then we're going to use either a hand mixer, a stand mixer, or a whisk to blend everything well. To this, we're going to be adding instant vanilla pudding mix. I love using the French vanilla flavor, but you can use the regular vanilla. Just make sure you use instant vanilla pudding so that you can get the best results. And then again, using the hand mixer, we're just going to blend everything well. Then we're going to cover it and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours, and this is going to give the instant pudding time to set. In the meantime, we're going to be making whipped cream. So in a large bowl, we're going to be adding lots of heavy whipping cream. You can use any brand that you want. And what I do is I place the bowl and the whisks in the freezer. That way everything's super cold and it's going to be easier to make the whipped cream. So using a hand mixer, a stand mixer, or even a whisk, we're going to start whisking the heavy cream until it thickens. And then once you see that it's thickening, it's going to take a few more minutes until you get whipped cream. And you'll know that the whipped cream is ready when the heavy cream is no longer liquid and you get soft peaks like this. After a couple hours, the instant pudding is going to be set and ready. So we're going to take it out of the fridge and we're going to mix it with the whipped cream. So using a spatula, we're going to fold everything together until most of the yellow color from the vanilla pudding disappears. And the reason we're going to do this very gently is because we don't want to lose any air that we got from that whipped cream. Another key ingredient for making this banana pudding are the vanilla wafers. Nilla Wafers is the most popular brand, but you can use any brand and any size. You can also use graham crackers and even ladyfingers. And of course, we're going to be using bananas. The best bananas for this recipe are going to be bananas that are slightly ripe. And the reason for this is because they have great banana flavor, they're more firm, and they're not going to be as sweet as ripe bananas. To assemble the banana pudding, you can use a large glass bowl, a trifle bowl, or individual cups or glasses like I'm using here. And we're going to start by making one layer of the vanilla wafers. Then we're going to add one layer of sliced bananas. And then we're going to top it with one layer of the vanilla pudding. We're going to repeat this 2 more times. We're going to cover the assembled banana pudding and then we're going to place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours so that everything sets. And that's how easy it is to make Magnolia Bakery's famous banana pudding.